Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the new Yardman gas station being built in Westmoreland. This gas station is between Savlamar and Negril. Actually more specific between Savlamar and Negril. Alright, so they are building, it looks like 4 pumps along with a convenience store. Now, Yardman is a new entrant into the gas station business in Jamaica. They operate other stations. I think this one will be the 4th one. They're expanding very quickly, so this could be number 5. I'm not sure. Guys, you can leave a comment in the section below. But I know they have a massive gas station up in Junction, that's in St. Elizabeth. They have another one that opened recently in downtown Kingston, and they have one also. They have another one in Westmoreland, and I think they have one in Negril as well. There are so many service stations going up, it's hard to keep track sometimes. So this is either number 4 or number 5, but this is a very nice station, well laid out, a lot of space. This is how most gas stations look in Jamaica now. And the convenience stores are very important. Yeah, I know that, they definitely have Junction, downtown Kingston, another one in Savlamar when you're entering from St. Elizabeth, this one, and I'm not sure if there's one in Negril. I know some new service stations went up on the outskirts of Negril. I'm not sure if this was one or another company. So guys, do you know which gas station has the most locations in Jamaica? It's actually Total Energy. They bought out Esso in Jamaica. They have 80 gas stations. And then Texaco has 70. Rubis, who bought out Shell, has 52. Those are the big players in Jamaica. There are about 300 gas stations in Jamaica, and they control literally 2/3 of the market. Total, Texaco, Rubis. And remember, Total used to be Esso. Texaco is now GB Energy, but they still use the name Texaco, and then Rubis used to be Shell. Now, you have a lot of other players in the market. You have Fesco, which is growing rapidly. They have 23 stations. Petcom 18 and Johnson 15. And then you have the new entrance into the market, which is led by Yardman, which is a station we just looked at. And you have Regency and you have Blaze. These are new brands entering the market. So this is the list of the gas stations in Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Just for those who want to know, we are driving from Savlamar towards Little London now. It's a rainy day, but this is the road that takes us from Savlamar to Little London, and then from Little London we'll be heading into Negril. Alright guys, have a good day.